Let's get this done.
Let's wait till so they actually pick a side so we know like.
Yeah. Okay. Y'all handle it. After 5 long weeks on this side and a bunch of one-on-one games on that side, we finally made it to the Raising Cane's Grand Finals, sponsored by Raising Cane's Chicken Fingers in Costa Mesa.
Thank you.
Let's get right into it. As you know, the rules are the same. 12 minutes, 5-on-5 full court. In the first half, it's a running clock. In the second half, the last 2 minutes is a stop clock. Each team gets 4 fouls. On the 4th foul, it's the double bonus. Remember, when you shoot a free throw, it is 1 point worth the number of points it would have been worth in a regular game. They are using the Wilson NCAA official game ball.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I told you!
Circle K wins. Which side would you like to go on first?
Alright, let's go this side. Go this side.
Circle K wants to go that way. You have 1 minute to discuss your strategy. Good luck. Circle K, ACC.
Your hands are too tall, bro.
And 1, count it. Foul, ACC, going up, free throws. Time's up. 3 minutes.
So it was Circle K, ACC. You want to switch sides? Oh, okay. Just make sure because they switch sides. Yeah.
Who's winning?
ACC.
This is kind of like last year, huh?
Yeah, but it's
About
more
calmer.
organized and more people, and they're not aggressive, and they're very calm.
Isn't that interesting?
So next time ACC will go this side, right?
Yeah, ACC goes that way. Second half. Grab. On the ground, going that way. Right? One minute 30. Time's up. Congratulations on behalf of UCI Summer Session, American Campus Communities, and Raising Cane's Chicken Fingers in Costa Mesa. Congratulations, you are the second annual Edge Basketball Classic Grand Finals champions. Here to present the Raising Cane's gift basket is Vista del Campo Community Assistant Kimberly No. I forgot to say that the MVP gets this. The winner of the trophy is Jason. Congrats. Well, thanks for coming out. Y'all were like, y'all stayed as a team. The chemistry is what got y'all this far. Congrats to you all on a successful LDP summer. Hopefully we'll see you all soon. Edge Basketball Classic on 3? Yeah. Right. Edge Basketball Classic on 3. 1, 2, 3. Edge Basketball Classic. Okay, thank you.